Hey everybody, Dan here with Fit Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at a Smith & Wesson FPC Folding Pistol Carbine. Very compact, just under 17 inches in its folded form. And it comes with this very cool carry bag. Heavy duty, a lot of features with this. I think you'll be surprised at everything this has to offer. We're going to talk about it, so let's do it. This carbine is really unique in many ways. When it is folded, it is locked into place, and it has an ambidextrous charger. All you do is take that charger, move it down a little bit, and that will unlock the forend from the buttstock. Now, it actually locks up in the M-lock slots here. There are so many different attachments you could use, and this handguard, which is aluminum, has several M-lock slots all throughout. A nice light on there would be a good choice, but there's just so much you could do with it. It has a full-length Picatinny rail, the entire length of the handguard, so you can put an optic of your choice or a scope. I would personally go with a red dot, something along that line, and a 16¼ inch barrel that is threaded, 1/2 by 28 threads. It has a thread cap right there, and you know, for those who have a can, you can go ahead and add one. It has a performance center trigger, much like my Smith & Wesson M&P 9 2.0 carry comp. And I love that trigger. It's a flat face trigger. I have the magazine out because I want to show you something. The ambidextrous charger is right here. But that trigger is super soft. Has that trigger tab in there, and there is the reset. It also has additional palm swells in the case, much like the M&P handguns, and the texturing is, well, it's an M&P, so you have that same type of texturing. Also has the slide stop that is also ambidextrous. It's on both sides. Where is it on this side? There it is. Okay, so it's a great setup, and when you line this, it's super cool. One thing I really like is that it ships with a 17 round mag and two 23 round mags, and they store right here, right underneath the stock. So in order to get that out, you have these levers here. There goes one, and well, I'll catch this one, and there goes two. All right, 23 rounds. Put one in the chamber, you're looking at some real good capacity. Let's take a closer look at this up close and personal. It's a good looking carbine. When I was talking about the magazines that are right below the stock, or shall I say inserted inside the stock, those levers right there is what you need. So if I push this one, that will drop this mag, and then vice versa. This lever will drop this mag. Without pressing those levers, they are locked. They will not come out. Very tight. Two 23 round mags. I've got the 17 round mag right in the grip. Here is the ambidextrous charger. All right, and so I'll go ahead and drop the 17 round mag. Any full-size M&P mag will work here. And there is the charger. Ambidextrous, as I mentioned. I also want to show you this. This lever here, you push it, and then that will release the forend. When I was talking about the way this aligns, see that M-lock slot right there? If I pull the charger back a little bit, that will lock into place, and this is going nowhere. And then you have to move it out a little bit to fold it into a firing position. 16½ inch barrel. The thread cap is a little loose, but there it is. 1/2 by 28 threads, the Picatinny rail. And then there's the swing open, what do you call that? Whatever, that piece there that swings it open. That performance center trigger is identical to my M&P 9 2.0 metal carry comp, and that is a good thing. I really like that trigger. It's a flat face trigger, and it breaks so smooth. Then we'll work the action with that reset right there. I don't see a need to switch out a palm swell, but somebody else may, and that would make perfect sense if that is their choice. But the amount of M-LOK slots here just keeps going on and on. Underneath, each on the, well, you have 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, and another, my goodness, M-LOK slots all over the place. And then the 9mm on a 16¼ inch barrel, it just increases the velocity so much. And then if you put a can on there, then that would be just so much fun at the range. There's the ambidextrous slide stop, all right, and then the charger is a bit heavy. It takes some pressure to operate that, but overall not too bad. It is pretty light. You're looking at right around 7 pounds overall, and that is with these mags inserted. With the optic, it doesn't come with any sights, so you could go with some irons, some flip ups would be nice, or just put a red dot on there. That would be my choice. I would put a red dot on there and feel comfortable with that. You may need a riser. It all depends on how well your eye aligns with your cheek weld. Everybody's a little different in that case, but there it is. I think this will make a lot of people happy. Now the MSRP on this is $600, much less at the fin. Go ahead and check out Fin Feather Fur Outfitters. So there's a rundown on the Smith & Wesson FPC Folding Pistol Carbine. Very cool, a lot to offer, and if you're into pistol carbines, I think you really like it. Once again, Dane here with Fin Feather Fur Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.